Maximum growth and development happens on the border of support and challenge as a trader, as an individual. So many people get addicted to positive, to winning, to people supporting them and people being nice to them, and the positive and the happy. But the addiction to the positive undermines your ability to have maximum growth. It undermines your ability to have consistent profitability as a trader, and it undermines your appreciation for yourself, for your partner, and it has consequences, negative consequences and repercussions in every area of life. It's much wiser to embrace both sides of trading, of yourself, of other people, and of life, and realize that the positive without the negative leads to gluttony, it leads to dependency, it leads to complacency and stagnation. Whereas all negative, negative without positive, leads to emaciation and stagnation as well. So you don't want either polarity. You get and you want to be aware of both sides of the equation. Maximum growth and development happens on the border of positive and negative, winning and losing, up and down, support and challenge, happy and sad. And realize as a trader, you're going to have both sides. You're going to win, you're going to lose. You're going to have happy, you're going to have sad. You're going to have pride, you're going to have shame. Both sides are necessary. You're going to have support, you're going to have challenges. You're going to have people that praise you, you're going to have people that reprimand you. Both sides are necessary. If you get addicted to the positive, the negative is going to hurt. If you're aware of the benefits of the negative and you can see how it helps you grow and see how these challenges and the losses help point out and help give you feedback to what needs to be refined, and it helps you become more resilient, then you can use it to your advantage, you can grow. So recognize there's going to be two sides to life, to trading, to yourself. Embrace both sides. Find the benefits of the negative and how they serve you, and find the drawbacks to the positive and how it's a disservice to you, so you can lower your addiction to this and increase your appreciation for this, and you can be more balanced and objective with both, so you can go and pursue consistent profitability in your goals without being distracted by the polarities.